Welcome back to Panews Media. Today we're relooking at a major moment for Pi Network. One that goes beyond just price, beyond just mining, and into the future of technology itself. At Consensus Miami, one of the most important blockchain conferences in the world, Pi Network co-founder Chengdiao Fan is set to speak live on May 6th. Her topic is both simple and powerful. Why AI needs real humans and trusted data. This is not just another conference talk. This is a signal about where the entire industry may be heading next. Because right now, artificial intelligence is advancing at an incredible pace. AI models are getting smarter, faster and more capable every single day. But there is a growing problem. AI does not inherently know what is real. It learns from data, and if that data is flawed, manipulated, or generated by other AI systems, the outputs become less reliable over time. This creates what many experts are calling a trust crisis in the AI era. And this is where Chengdiao Fan's message becomes extremely important. Her argument is that AI cannot function effectively at scale without real human input and verified data sources. In other words, the future of AI depends on proving that something or someone is real. And that is exactly where Pi Network enters the conversation. Pi Network is not just building a cryptocurrency, it is building a system of verified human identities on a global scale. Through its KYC process, Pi has already created one of the largest networks of identity-verified users in the blockchain space. This is a completely different approach compared to many other projects, which often focus purely on technology or financial speculation. Pi is focusing on people, and this distinction matters. Because if AI systems are going to interact with users, make decisions, or even conduct transactions, they need a way to distinguish between real humans and bots. Without that, the system breaks down. What Chengdiao Fan is highlighting is that blockchain can solve this problem by combining decentralized technology with identity verification. Pi Network creates a foundation where trust can exist in a digital environment. This is not just about logging in or verifying accounts. It is about creating a network where every participant is a real person, and that has massive implications. Think about online marketplaces, social platforms, financial systems, and even AI-driven services. If these systems can rely on verified human identities, the level of trust increases dramatically. Fraud decreases, manipulation becomes harder, and real utility becomes possible. This is why Chengdiao Fan emphasizes that crypto tokens are not just exit opportunities. They are tools that enable real-world use cases, tools that support applications, tools that power ecosystems. For years, the crypto industry has been heavily driven by speculation, people buying tokens, hoping for price increases, and then exiting. But that model is not sustainable in the long term. What the industry needs is utility, applications that people actually use, services that solve real problems, and systems that create real value. Pi Network is positioning itself within that shift by focusing on accessibility, identity, and ecosystem development. It is aiming to build something that goes beyond just a tradable asset. And this is why this talk at Consensus Miami matters so much. It is not just about Pi. It is about redefining what blockchain is supposed to do. It is about connecting AI identity and decentralized systems into one unified vision. And if that vision plays out, it could change how we see Web3 entirely. Instead of a space driven by hype and short-term gains, it becomes a space driven by utility, trust and long-term adoption. Now, of course, this is still a developing story. The real impact will depend on execution. It will depend on whether Pi Network can successfully integrate these ideas into working products. It will depend on developer adoption, user engagement, and real-world use cases. But the direction is clear. And direction matters, because in technology, the projects that succeed are not always the ones that move the fastest. They are the ones that move in the right direction. So as Chengdiao Fan takes the stage on May 6th, the key question is not just what she will say, it is what it represents. A shift toward human-centered technology, a shift toward trusted data, and a shift toward real utility in the blockchain space. If you want to understand where Web3 is heading, this is a moment to pay attention. Because sometimes, the biggest changes don't come from price charts, They come from ideas. If you found this analysis valuable,
but rather how
and want
quickly
to
Pi Network
stay
will
updated on
emerge
everything
as the leading
happening in
platform
Pi Network
driving
and
this
beyond.
global transformation
Make sure to
across
subscribe to
multiple
P News
industries
Media.
and sectors.
We break down the signals, the trends, and the future of Web3, so you don't miss what matters. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Pi News Media for more.